Hello students, good morning everyone and how are you? I hope student you are doing study at home. Student, in this lecture we are going to learn science subject. Okay, we will discuss about the lesson number 1. Student, lesson number 1 we already learned in previous. Okay, so in this video we will solve the exercise and just we recall this. We will do the revision on this lesson. Okay. So our first lesson is natural resources, air, water and land. Students, we know the air, waters and land. It is the natural resources. Okay. There are three main spheres on the earth. So you can say students, which is the three sphere on the earth. So which one? First one hydrosphere, second lithosphere and third one is the atmosphere. Okay students, and the living organisms together in all these three spheres constitute biosphere. Okay, 70% of the earth's surface is form of the hydrospheres and 29% is of the lithosphere. Means student, 71% it is the water and 29% is the land. Okay, here water, lands are the important natural resources. Okay, so because of these natural resources we are fulfill our the basics need. Okay, our basic need is depend on these natural resources. Okay, now first one is air. So you can see you learn already this lesson. So what is the air? So air is the mixture of the gases. Okay, the earth is surrounded by atmosphere which is made up of airs, and the constituent of airs are means air is a mixture of gases. So which gases in the airs? Now can you say nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Now 6 types of inert gases: nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor and dust particles. So that's why air is the mixture of the gases. The amount of gases is higher near the surface of the earth. Means highest near the amount of gases is highest near the surface of the earth. We go to higher and higher of the surface, the proportion of the gas goes on decreasing. Okay, on the earth, near on the earth we have the highest gases, but when we go higher and higher, so the proportion of gases goes on a decrease. Okay, here is the air at high altitude. We learn the use of the gases. Okay student, now next one, water. So students, water is very important. Okay, to water we save our life. Okay, so water is needed for the survival of every living organism. Amount of water is needed for every organism depend on its size on the body. Okay, every living things want the waters. For smooth functioning of our body we need 3 or 4 liters of water daily. Okay, our body need the 3-4 liters water, so we should drink the more water. Hydrogen gas upon burning in a air can form water. Okay, water is available in 3 different states in nature. Okay, water is colorless, water is stateless and water is odorless liquid. Since many substances can dissolve in it, okay, like a sugar, salt, this all the substance dissolved in a water. So it's called the natural is universal solvent. Okay student, there is a high proportions of water in the blood of the animals. In our body, in animals body have the high proportion of water, in the plant also. It is said that water is the life because no living things can survive without waters. One day also we can't live without waters. For drinking purpose, only very small quantity of water is fed on the earth. You know students, 0.3% only water is fresh waters. Others water is ocean's water, so that waters we can't drink. Okay. Now we'll see about the land. Okay. Land is made of the soil, stone, and big rocks. It is uneven, hilly in the some area and flat in the other area. Means land is not same equals in every ways. Okay, some is hill in the some area and some is the flat area. All existence living things are given shelter by land. Some animals did burrow in the land and some animals live in a land. They burrows in the land. Okay, man use land for the farming, construction the shelters and road. We use the land for build the building shelter means construction the shelters, roads and for farming. Okay, we make use of the plants and animals which are found on the forest land and some animals, plants. Okay, they use the land as on a forest land. Land and important resource as from we obtain the minerals, fruits, oil and natural gas. Okay, we got the minerals, natural gases. This thing also we get from land. Okay, students. I hope students understood me. Air, waters and land. This is the natural resources. It is very useful for all living things. Okay, our life is depend on these natural resources. Now, student, we will see the objective question only. Okay, which answer is very small. That on question only we will see. Okay. Now try to give the answer. First one, fill in the blanks. Okay. So what is the question, student? The layer of the ozone gas absorb dash rays. Okay, come from the sun to the earth. Ozone gas is very useful for us. Okay, so which rays observe come from the sun to the earth? Which gases? Ultraviolet. Which one, students? Ultraviolet rays that come from the sun to the earth. Understood, student? Ozone layer gas observe the ultraviolet. Ozone gas observe ultraviolet rays that comes from the sun. Okay, students. Now we will see next one. Of the total waters available on the earth, fresh water from dash percent. How many percent water is available for drinking? Means it is fresh water. So how much? 0.3%. This much water is available. So that's why we will use the water very carefully. We should use water very carefully. Now both dash and dash constituent are percent in the solid. Okay. So which constituent are present in the soil? Azotic. Which one, student? Azotic and biotic. I hope students you understood filling the blanks. Okay. Now students, we will see the match the following. And students, in exam time while writing solving the match the following, don't join like this. Okay, right answer in middle. Okay, now see one, carbon hydroxide. So what is the use of carbon hydroxide? So what is use? Okay, generation of soil, rain, yeah, plants of food productions. Yes, plant and food production. Okay, plants and the use of water vapor? For rain. Now next one, microwaves. Microwaves, what is the use of microwaves? Generation of soil. Generation of soil. I hope students you understood. Okay. Now we will see the next one. Name the following. Okay. It's also easy. Listen properly. What is the first question? Constituent of the biosphere. Okay. Constituent of the biosphere. So which one? Animals and plants. What is the answer, students? Animals and plants. Now second one, biotic constituent of soil. Which is the biotic? Microbes, insects and rodents like rat and mice. Okay. Now next one, fossil fuel. Which is the fossil fuel? Can you say? Petrol, diesel and kerosene are the fossil fuel. Okay, students. Now next one, insert the gases in our air. Okay. Insert the gases in air. So which ones? Argons, argons, heliums, neons, krypton and xenons. Okay. Now next one, gases that are harmful to the ozone layer. So which is the gases is harmful to the ozone layer? So which one, students? Chlorofluoric carbons and carbon tetrachloride. Okay, carbon tetrachloride. Okay, I hope students you understood the names of name of the followings. Okay. Now next one we will see true or false. Okay. Land and soils are the same things. Land and soil is the same thing? No. So this answer is wrong. Okay. The water in a lake is called the groundwaters. No. Lake water is not a groundwater. So this answer also wrong. Now next one. It takes about 100 years to form 25 cm thick layer of soil. It takes 1000 year of form 25 cm thick soil layer? No. In a 1000 years make only 2.5 cm thick layer. How much? 2.5 cm. Here said 25. So this also is a wrong. Okay, students. Sorry, true or false? So students here we have to write false. So these three all answers are false. I hope students you understood. Okay, and this small question answer you will buy it. Okay, students read a lesson carefully and take out the notes yourself. Okay, thank you.